In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an events page on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're organizing a company event, a community gathering, or just want to share calendar updates, creating an events page is a fantastic way to communicate with your audience. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide that's perfect for beginners. First off, you'll need to navigate to Google Sites. You can find it through a quick Google search. Simply type Google Sites into your search bar and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first link, which will lead you directly to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of sites you've already created, if you have any. If you're just starting, you might see templates or an option to start a new site. Select the site you'd like to add an events page to and click on it to open it up. With your site open, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll find a section labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on this option. This area allows you to manage the various pages your site will have. Next, locate the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the Pages panel, and click on it to create a new page. Now, you'll be prompted to name your new page. A good practice is to keep this name simple and descriptive, so type in Event Page as the name. This ensures that visitors to your site can easily identify what the page is about. With the name entered, click on the Done button to confirm and create your page. Now that the page is created, let's move on to adding content. Click back over to the Insert tab on the right side. Here you can add various elements to your page. Start by adding a text box. Click on the text box option and begin typing the information about your event. Make this as detailed as necessary, including dates, locations, and any other pertinent details. Next, to add some visual appeal, include an image that represents your event. Click on the Image option and upload a suitable image from your computer. This can be your event's logo, a picture of the venue, or any other relevant visual. To organize your content neatly, consider adding a layout. Click on Layouts and select one that suits your needs. You can then drag your text and images into the layout boxes for a structured appearance. Finally, after reviewing everything to ensure it looks just right, it's time to make your new events page public. Click on the Publish button found at the top right corner of your screen. This will make your events page accessible to anyone with the link. And there you have it, a fully functioning events page on your Google site. It's fast, easy, and a great way to keep everyone informed about your upcoming events. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.